What is up, guys? It is a bright sunny day, so hopefully you can see me, but I am here to check out the Muppets Rock and Roller Coaster. I can't wait to go in there and check it out. It looks pretty cool from what I can see right now, but we're gonna head in there and check it out here soon. Let's go along.
Yeah, I don't know if this is the best idea. Yeah, I think we'll. Let's do this.
Thank you. You gotta call it line 3.
All the way forward, all the way up. We are not in the line, so please fill in all the cards.
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening, Big Bob?
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Miss Piggy.
And that is how you stall a show. They couldn't get enough of you all. I mean, who even needs the mayhem now?
You would have.
Okay, I got a few things to say about this refurb or redo of Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Muppets. Okay, you need more animatronics, Disney. Come on. I mean, right here, where the section right before you're getting up to the load platform, you could have put an animatronic of Gonzo. You really could have. I don't know why you didn't. You could have. You also could have put some animatronics on the other side of the load platform. Yes, and I understand before you leave a comment and say, well, that's where the cast members have to walk and check the restraints. You still could have put something there. It could have pretended like they were launching the train to start the ride or something. And then you make that curve before the launch and all you're going to have is a screen. You could have put a cool little section up there, rebuilt something, and had like an animatronic animal doing a countdown, and then the train takes off. Now, I know I didn't get any POV of the ride. It's too dark, but even in the ride, there's still really only one or two things that made me go, okay, cool. I see the Muppet theme. A shout out to Pizza Rizzo. That was cool. Made me laugh, made me cry. And then also, it's just Rock and Roller Coaster. Like, the ride itself is not good in my opinion. And again, leave a comment if you want to hate on it. I don't care. There are better coasters out there. So even if Aerosmith was still there, I probably wouldn't ride it. But just the lack of animatronics for this new Muppets overlay. If you knew, Disney, that you were going to get rid of the theming of Aerosmith and put it to the Muppets after getting rid of Muppet Vision, you had all this time to plan some more animatronics. I really hope, I know this was rushed because they're like, oh, we gotta get it ready for summer. Disney, get your crap together and build an animatronic or build some more. That's all us fans as the Muppets want to see. You got rid of something extremely cool, a nice little people eater show, to build something that's not worth it, in my honest opinion. I need more Muppets. Sorry, that's just my rant of this ride. I'm sorry. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. But truthfully, it's a 1 out of 10 for me. Disney, you could have done so much better. I said what I said. If you didn't like this video, you don't have to like and subscribe. If you did, and you want to see me rant more about things, hit that subscribe button, because this video made me realize some things, that Disney's not going in the direction I think they should be going, or I would like to see Disney go. And that's just my honest opinion. But yeah, let me know, guys.